Bonjour Anna, j'espère que tu vas bien. Nous sommes le jeudi 27 février, c'est la leçon 8 sur 22. So, tu peux répéter s'il te plaît? Can you repeat please? Vous pouvez répéter s'il vous plaît? Can you repeat please? That means the same. This one is casual, this one is formal. Comprendre is to understand. Je ne comprends pas, I don't understand. Je ne sais pas, I don't know. We're going to have to talk about to know in French. So, tu peux répéter s'il te plaît. Vous pouvez répéter s'il vous plaît. Comprendre, je ne comprends pas. If you want to say I understand is je comprends. Je ne sais pas, I don't know. The French speak fast. So that means sometimes you're going to hear them saying je sais pas. Je sais pas. It's a very fast way of saying I don't know. Je sais pas. It's a great way to, it's not really correct, but it's just a fast way of saying I don't know. Je ne sais pas, je ne sais pas, je sais pas, je sais pas. Communication progressive du français, les quantités. So you can hear my voice is a bit weird because I got sick over the weekend, and I lost my voice a bit. Not completely, but I was on the way of losing my voice. So let me just pause because somebody is coming here. So this is a French newspaper called Le Parisien. It's not the best, but they have a lot of pictures and they're talking about the coronavirus. It's not the case that's from today, le lundi 2 mars. And coronavirus, comment il change notre quotidien? How does it change our daily life? Okay. And so they say that 61% of the French are worried. They are talking about a Sunday in an infected zone. Municipal is like the elections for the different cities, and it's like campaigning without shaking hands. So it's very interesting. So people are wearing more gloves. Some are just, they're getting a bit crazy. Okay, they don't really necessarily wear the mask all the time, but I'm pretty sure in Paris it's gonna be the case. Okay. Okay, etc. So you see a lot of images, but a lot of stuff to read as well. Okay, it's a bit complex, of course, but you can have an idea of what's going on. If you're interested, I can send it to you. Okay, so now, getting back to our thing, we have communication. Let me just, yeah, I was there actually. Sorry about that. Communication progressive du français. This is for early beginners. I'm not gonna go through that because I would say it's too easy for you. Communication, this one is the level after. So, that is what we did the last time. À l'épicerie, that means at the convenience store, basically. It starts with an apostrophe because the noun starts with a vowel. It can be the same with an H. Le client, l'épicier. So, let me just zoom out. Alors, il me faut du jambon, du comté, de la crème fraîche, des œufs, de l'eau. So he's talking to himself. Bonjour monsieur, je voudrais un morceau de comté s'il vous plaît. Voilà monsieur, et avec ceci, donnez-moi aussi un petit pot de crème fraîche et une douzaine d'œufs. Voilà, ce sera tout. Non, il me faut aussi 4 tranches de jambon s'il vous plaît, et je vais prendre 2 bouteilles d'eau plate. We don't say that anymore. 2 bouteilles d'eau, that's it. Il me faut, that means I need. Je voudrais, I would like. Donnez-moi, give me, formal form. And we also know, je vais prendre. So, il me faut du jambon. I need, it's necessary for me. I need some ham, some hard cheese. It's called comté. That's the name of the cheese. Crème fraîche, sour cream if you want. Eggs, water. So we are dealing with some. We know that some is masculine, féminine, plurion, on with an apostrophe. Hello, sir. I would like a piece of Comté. That's the name of the hard cheese. Please. Here you go, sir. And with this, anything else? Give me also a small container of crème fraîche and a dozen of eggs. Here you go. That would be all. No. I also need 4 slices of ham, please. And I'm going to take 2 bottles of water. Flat water, that means it's not sparkling. So we have to remember, il me faut, je voudrais, donnez-moi, je vais prendre. 4 expressions we have to reuse. Now, the quantities. Quantities are some. Some is masculine du, féminine de la, des plurions, and we also have the apostrophe because the noun starts with a vowel on H. Okay? Un morceau de Comté, it's a specific quantity. It's a piece of something. Un morceau de. Un petit pot de, a small container of something. Une douzaine de, we don't say d'œufs, we say de. A dozen of, so here it's the apostrophe because eggs, they start with a vowel. Voilà, ce sera tout. Non, il me faut aussi 4 tranches de jambon, 4 slices of ham, please. Et je vais prendre 2 bouteilles d'eau, 2 bottles of water. So some is du, de la, de l'apostrophe des. Masculine, féminine, apostrophe, H vowel, en pluriel. We have des produits de base, le riz, les pâtes, le sucre, la farine, la confiture, le miel, les conserves, la sauce tomate, la mayonnaise, l'huile, le vinaigre, le sel, le poivre, l'eau minérale, le vin, la bière. So, you have to be careful of what's masculine, what's plurion, what's feminine. The can be le masculine, la féminine, les plurions, and we also have l'apostrophe for nouns starting with H on vowel. Rice, pasta, sugar, flour, jam, honey, cans, tomato sauce, mayonnaise, oil, vinegar, salt, pepper, black pepper, mineral water, wine, beer. Des produits frais. We say des, that means some, plurion. Fresh products. Le jambon, le fromage, le lait, le beurre, les yaourts, la crème fraîche, les œufs, les fruits, les légumes, etc. Ham, cheese, milk, butter, yogurt, sour cream, or crème fraîche, you can keep the name, eggs, fruits, vegetables, etc. La viande, the meat, féminine, la viande, general term. Le porc, le bœuf, l'agneau, le veau, le poulet, pork, beef, lamb, veal, chicken. Le poisson, fish, saumon, le saumon, la truite, le thon. Salmon, trout, tuna. So we come back to the expression. Je voudrais un paquet de biscuits, un pot de crème, il me faut un morceau de fromage, une tranche de jambon, donnez-moi un tube de mayonnaise, tube, hein. Je vais prendre une bouteille d'huile. So they say we distinguish mineral water plate, sans gaz, Evian, Volvic, and sparkling water, gazeuse, Perrier, Badois. Okay. And the exercises, vrai ou faux, true or false. Le client achète un morceau de fromage. The client buys a piece of cheese. C'est vrai. Il achète aussi 12 œufs. Dozen of eggs. C'est vrai. L'épicier n'a pas d'eau minérale. So the shopkeeper doesn't have any mineral water. No, it doesn't say anything about that. So I would say, c'est faux. It's false. He has water. Complété par du, masculine, de la féminine, de à l'apostrophe, des plurions, de en des apostrophe, because it's a specific quantity here. Here we're dealing with some. So, if I don't have anything before, I'm going to use some. Okay? But if I have like 2 slices of, a bottle of, a kilo of, a dozen of, a package of, we're going to deal with de or the apostrophe. So here we know it's masculine. Du jambon. 2 tranches, 2 jambon. 2. Une bouteille d'huile. De l'huile. 1 kilo de farine. De la farine. It's a noun, some flour. De la farine. Des œufs. Une douzaine d'œufs, dit apostrophe. Des biscuits. Un paquet de biscuits. Un paquet de biscuits. 6 œufs. Une bouteille d'huile. Un paquet de spaghettis ou un paquet de pâtes. Un pot de yaourt. Un poulet. Un poulet ici. Un poulet. You can say roasted chicken, so un poulet rôti en O with a circumflex accent on the O-T-I. De la confiture. You can say also un pot de confiture. Bonjour madame, vous désirez? Je voudrais une bouteille d'huile d'olive, s'il vous plaît. Oui, madame, et avec ceci, donnez-moi aussi 6 œufs et un pot de crème fraîche. Voilà, ce sera tout. Oui, merci. And now we need to use the 4 expressions. So, je voudrais du roquefort, s'il vous plaît. Je vais prendre aussi 500 grammes de beurre, ou une livre de beurre. Donnez-moi du vinaigre. So, je vais prendre, je voudrais, donnez-moi, the last one is, il me faut de la farine. Okay? And next, we're going to try to talk about that. Well, let me check if I didn't forget anything. So, I explained many times the same stuff. Okay? J'aime le saumon, j'aime, plus le lalé, l'apostrophe. Je voudrais du, de la, des, de à l'apostrophe. Hein. J'aime la truite, je voudrais de la truite. J'aime l'agneau, je voudrais de l'agneau. J'aime les œufs, je voudrais des œufs. Un œuf, des œufs. Exercises are done, okay? But we're gonna try to see if you remember. Well, I'll see you tomorrow because I couldn't speak over the weekend, and as I told you, I was sick, so I was delayed with the transcript and the video. But anyway, it's done now. À demain, Anna. Passe une très bonne journée.